Hey guys, so today here I'm going to show you how to repair a stand-up paddleboard or surfboard that's fiberglass. So as you can see here, you got a bit of a ding. It's actually from the board dropping. And the first thing you want to do is just look around the whole board, and if you're going to fix it, you might as well fix all the cracks. So we also have just a spider kind of hairline crack here. I'm going to fix that as well. But besides that, the board looks pretty good. I have a couple just scratches down here that I'm not really going to worry about on the bottom. They're just scratches. They're not actually going through. You can see right here. There's just some white marks, white scratches. They're not actually going through, so there's nothing to repair there. I could paint that if I wanted to cover that up. But so something like this. Now this is a foam style, so there's actually foam in here. And there's a breathable hole here to let the air come through so it doesn't stay wet. But what we're going to do, we need a couple different things. We need a Dremel with this bit right here. It's going to open this up. We need a mask, safety goggles, a little bit of sandpaper, and a drill bit. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to drill the edges here. So once we fill this with fiberglass, if we miss something, it's not going to let it keep spreading out. Then I'm going to take the Dremel, go through here, do the same thing on that side, and then we'll get some fiberglass and fill this baby up. Some sandpaper here. So I'm just going to sand this. JB Clear Weld, it's about $5-6. It says in 5 minutes, it says we're going to leave it for at least an hour. The strength is 4,400 PSI, which is one of the highest. So look for the higher PSI, the better. It also is clear as well, which is nice. Okay, so as you can see, I put some tape around this here. That's going to keep it from falling and dripping out. The same thing here as well. Next, I'm going to let that dry. We'll give it a sand, and then time to paint. I'm going to sand down now a little bit and get some extra bumps. I'm going to sand that down. I'll finish the sanding with the sandpaper. First, I'm going to sand with the Dremel. As you can see now, sanded it down, it's pretty smooth. Still kind of notice it, but it definitely is not going to be protected from the water. So now if I want to just go that extra mile, I'm going to take some spray paint, spray it down, and just cover up this, maybe just do a little bit overspray, just trying to match it as best I can. Obviously the color's not going to be exact, but it'll just pretty much mask most of it. The thing I did is tape it up with some painter's tape here. And then I'm going to get my spray paint, give it a minute or two of just shakes, get any globs out, just spray in here. And you can take a little cardboard piece like this, cover it up. Just gonna get it in. There you go. Let that dry. See if I need to give it another coat. See how it comes out. And here we have the final result. As you can see, painted. The color is a little bit darker, but at least going to be protected from any kind of sand or anything like that. Water that once they get in here is going to be blocked up. Kind of looks like, just looks like a piece of green tape or something I put over it, but it's going to be much better. No water is going to get inside of it, and it's going to look good. So if you guys have any questions for me, feel free to leave in the comments. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel. Click here to watch more videos.